Hey there, it's Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I just thought I would show you a little 2-ingredient snack hack, one that I make all the time. It couldn't be easier, and it involves 2 ingredients. One is this Sargento light string cheese. You're gonna look for a reduced fat, 50% fat, lower calorie string cheese at the supermarket. And this is Hormel turkey pepperoni, which, as it promises on the packet, 70% less fat than their regular pepperoni. And this is a brilliant, I don't know how they do it, product, 70 calories for a billion slices, like 17 slices for 17 calories. And here is what you do to make it work for you in a cute or dervish, is that a real word? Or dervish or dervy kind of way. So I have my turkey slices, which I am putting out on my very lovely plastic plate. I have my string cheese. I have a little knife. Okay, here are my toothpicks. I'm gonna cut the string cheese into coins, little coins, cute little coins. Yes, then I'm gonna assemble. It's very simple. You take your turkey pepperoni, you take your little cheese coin, and you take your other pepperoni. You can do like a whole kebab. You can keep going. You can make these bigger. You can do whatever you want, but there it is. It's like a little pepperoni hat situation. And I love them. They're so easy. They're low in calories. They're low in fat. They're delicious. They have protein. And truth be told, if you weren't watching and I was not making this video, I might just stick this in my face and this in my face and not put them on cute little toothpicks. But when my friends come over, that's what we do. Or when I make a video, that's what I do. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye. All right, I lied. I'm back. I know you probably want to see me take a bite, so here. Just like from an Italian restaurant.